Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools, where we bring you the best tips to keep your ride running smoothly. Today, we're talking about something super important, 5 driving habits that could seriously ruin your engine. You don't want to miss this, so let's jump right in. Habit hash 1, revving the engine before it's warm. First up, revving your engine right after starting it. When you start your car, the engine's oil is cold and thicker, which means it can't lubricate properly. If you rev it too hard, you're asking for extra wear and tear. Always let your engine warm up for at least 30 seconds before you hit the gas. Habit hash 2, riding the brakes next. Riding the brakes. This is when you keep your foot on the brake pedal lightly while driving, especially on long downhill stretches. It puts unnecessary stress on the engine and transmission, causing them to overheat. So use your gears to control speed instead and avoid keeping your foot on the brake too much. Habit hash 3, ignoring the check engine light. Here's a big one. Ignoring the check engine light. I know, we've all done it at some point, but the check engine light is there for a reason. It could be telling you that something's wrong with your engine, and the longer you ignore it, the worse the problem gets. Get it checked out ASAP to avoid expensive repairs down the road. Habit hash 4, hard acceleration now. Hard acceleration, you know, those fast takeoffs from a stoplight. It may be fun, but it's terrible for your engine. Accelerating too fast puts extra strain on engine components and can cause long-term damage. So, take it easy on the gas pedal to keep everything running smoothly. Habit hash 5, not changing the oil on time. And lastly, not changing your oil on time. Oil is like the lifeblood of your engine, and when it gets dirty or low, it doesn't protect your engine properly. Always stick to your car's recommended oil change schedule to keep that engine purring like a kitten. So there you have it. 5 driving habits that can ruin your engine. Keep these tips in mind to extend the life of your car and avoid costly repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Weekly Tools, and click the bell for more awesome tips every week. Drive safe and see you in the next one.